In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a report from Microsoft Access to a Microsoft Word document. Exporting your Access report to Word is perfect when you need an editable, shareable document for feedback, formatting, or final presentation. Begin in Microsoft Access with the report you want to export open on your screen. Take a moment to confirm the content and layout. Make sure the data is current, filters and sort orders are correct, and the report looks right in your preferred view, such as Report View or Print Preview. What you see here is essentially what Word will receive, so a quick review saves time later. Now move to the ribbon at the top of Access and click the External Data tab. This tab holds all the import and export tools, and it's where you'll find the option to move your report into a Word-friendly format. Within the export group on that tab, choose Word or Word RTF file. Access uses rich text format for this workflow because it opens reliably in Microsoft Word while preserving your text, tables, and most styling. It's designed to keep the report readable and structured without locking you into a fixed layout. A dialog box will appear asking where to save the file and what to name it. Browse to a destination you can easily find later, like your project folder or desktop. Enter a clear file name and consider adding a date or version number to keep revisions organized. Avoid special characters that some systems dislike, and confirm the file type shows as .rtf so you know it will open in Word. When everything looks good, click OK to create the file. If a file with the same name already exists, Access may ask you to confirm replacing it. After a brief moment, your report will be exported to the chosen location as an RTF document. You can now open that file directly in Microsoft Word. Once it's open, review the layout and formatting. Headings, tables, and basic styles should come through clearly. If your original report uses very complex layouts or specialized controls, Word may represent them as standard tables or text, so feel free to fine-tune spacing, margins, or styles to match your document standards. From here, you can edit the content, add comments, and share it like any other Word file. And that's it. Open your report in Access, go to the External Data tab, select Word RTF, choose your folder and file name, click OK, and then open the resulting file in Word for any final touches. This gives you a fast, editable version of your Access report ready for distribution.